The end is near, and so I face the final curtain. My friend, I say it clear, I state my case, of which I'm certain. I lived that fool, I traveled each and every highway, and more, much more than this, I did it my way. Regrets, I've had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I have to do and saw it through without exemption. I planned each other course, each careful step along the byway, and more, much more than this, I did it my way. Yes, there is time, I'm sure you knew, when it bit off more than I can take, but through it all, when there was done, I ate it up and stirred it up. I've had it all, and I stood tall and did it my way. I've loved, I laughed and cried, I have my few, my share of losing, and now as tears subside, I find it all so amusing to think I did it all, and my eyes say, not in shy way. Oh no, not me. I did it my way. For all that a man, what had he's got, if not himself, then had he's not to say the things he truly feels, and not the word of one who kneels. The record shows I took the blows, I did it my way. Yes, I did it